My name is Emilie. I'm a female. I'm 30 years old. I'm wearing a yellow jacket and I've got red hair with blonde on it. I have always lived in the Styvechale Finham area of Coventry, and that's the community I'm going to be supporting for this project. It's really important to me that my area is part of City of Culture. We're a really lovely community. There's lots of brilliant people here and some really fantastic local businesses, and I just wanted that to come through and for us to shine a spotlight on that for City of Culture. What I'm hoping to achieve by being on this sort of comes in two parts. The first part is I want to showcase our area. I want to find out more about the people who are living here, their stories, the groups that are here, and to put this into something that's long-lasting and meaningful, which is hopefully going to be the video. Personally, as an artist, it's a really wonderful opportunity to work on something I care about so close to home, and I'm really excited about that. And I think this is probably the biggest number of people in one project that I've been working with as a poet, as an artist, so that's exciting as well. One thing that I've learned is how many exciting things are going on in our city and how brilliant it is to be part of that. I've also really enjoyed getting the advice from members of the City of Culture Trust for help with how best to prepare for such a large-scale project. A highlight of the programme so far has been meeting the other community connectors. They're a fantastic group of people, and if anybody says that nothing happens in Coventry, then they need to meet them and hear about all the amazing work that these people are doing across the city and all the events and things that we've got going on. I love our monthly meetings where we get together and share our ideas and resources, and I always leave feeling better about just excited about the projects and better about the world generally. In one word, Coventry to me is home. So it's physically my home. I've always lived here. I get a warm feeling when I see the road signs for it. But it's home to so many people that have lived there here all their lives. But also something that we are really good at is welcoming people from different cities, different cultures and communities. And we really are a place of sanctuary. People have been able to come here and feel safe and welcomed. And I've heard so many people say that about Coventry, and that's the one thing that I'm proud of, is we really are a welcoming city.